Welcome to the Cosmic Calm series. This is track 3, an emotional reset for stress and anxiety. Take a comfortable seated position. Spine tall, yet relaxed. Hands resting gently in your lap. Palms open, receptive. Gently close your eyes and begin to turn your awareness inward. Feel the connection to the earth beneath you. Steady, supportive, present. Now imagine gentle roots extending downward from your feet. Anchoring you deeply into the ground. Safe, grounded, supported. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale gently. Arriving fully. Bring your attention to your breath. Notice the inhale and the exhale. Soft, natural, steady. With each out-breath, release any tension, any heaviness, anything you have been carrying. With each in-breath, invite calm. Ease. And gentle support. Allow the mind to soften. The body to settle. Bring your awareness to the body. Soften the face. Relax the jaw. Smooth the forehead. Let the shoulders drop. Arms heavy, relaxed. Soften the chest. The space around the heart. Relax the belly. The back. Release the hips. The legs. And the feet. Feel the whole body supported. Grounded. And at ease. Now bring your awareness to the space above your head. Imagine a warm, radiant light forming gently above you. Calm, healing, and infinitely soft. And slowly, this light begins to descend. Flowing gently into the crown of your head. Feel it moving through the mind. Softening, clearing, washing away any remaining tension. It continues downwards through the face, the neck, the shoulders, releasing, dissolving anything that no longer needs to be held. Now flowing into the chest, the heart, melting away emotional heaviness. Softening, continue through the body. The belly, the hips, down through the legs. All the way to the feet. And into the roots beneath you. Now, as this light flows through you, allow anything remaining any tension, any emotion, to gently release downward. Flowing through the body into the roots below. The earth receives this energy, absorbing it, neutralizing it, transforming it. Without effort, without resistance. You do not need to hold it anymore. Let it go. Feel the body becoming lighter. More open. More at ease. Now imagine yourself gently supported. As if floating. Held by the earth below. And the light above. Grounded. And weightless at the same time. Safe, supported, held, there is nothing to carry, nothing to hold on to. Just this moment. This breath. This sense of calm. gently repeat these affirmations. I release what no longer serves me. I am safe, grounded, and supported. Tension melts away, leaving space for calm. I am restored, balanced, and at peace. Bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the body supported by the earth. Light, open, calm. Gently begin to move your fingers. Your toes. Take a deep, cleansing breath in and exhale fully. And when you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this sense of calm with you. This clarity, this emotional balance. Knowing that you can return to this state whenever you need, because it is always available within you. Thank you for listening to this meditation, sending you love and light.